DuroMax generators are built for reliability, but they still require proper care. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential safety guidelines and maintenance routines to keep your DuroMax generator at its best. We've assembled a group of experts, each a standout in their respective fields, and they're here to share their wisdom on maintaining and ensuring the safety of your new generator. Let's dive in. When you receive your new generator, it's essential to become acquainted with it right away. Remove it from the box, assemble it according to the provided instructions, and carefully read all the user instructions and safety information included with the generator. Understanding your generator from the start will help you use and maintain it more effectively. After assembling your generator, you should add Breakin Oil and your preferred fuel.
Hi, this is Yordy with Emerson Services. We're going to walk through putting your Breakin Oil into your new generator. First, you'll need to reach back here and open up the oil. There you go, there's the dipstick. And then we're going to put our included funnel hose back here into the oil inlet. Put that right down in there. And then using our engine Breakin Oil, pour some here into the generator.
Breakin Oil is specifically formulated to seal the piston rings against the cylinder wall for maximum engine compression and power.
And once you're finished putting your Breakin Oil in, then choose your fuel, whether it is gasoline, propane, or natural gas. Run your generator for the 6 to 8 hour break-in period, and then change the oil to full synthetic.
The initial run allows the engine's components to settle and ensures that your unit is ready to perform optimally when you need it for real emergencies.
Hi, I'm Dustin Sheffield with Emerson Services. After that break-in period, if you're storing your generator for a long period of time, you're going to want to make sure that the battery stays charged up. You can do that by just starting your generator and running it for an hour or until the charging light turns off every 60 to 90 days.
This exercise keeps the engine well lubricated, it keeps the battery charged, and ensures that your generator is in working condition. Running it periodically prevents components from seizing and ensures a quick response during power outages.
If using gasoline in your portable generator, be sure to add fuel stabilizer before storing the generator.
That'll keep it from gumming up the carburetor and making sure that it'll start the next time you want it to start.
This is especially important to maintain the fuel quality and engine performance during storage.
Follow the maintenance schedule provided in your manual to keep your generator ready for when you need it.
The manual provides guidelines for routine maintenance tasks such as oil changes, air filter replacements, spark plug inspections, and other maintenance activities. Following this schedule ensures that your generator remains in optimal condition and is ready to perform when you need it most. So in summary, getting to know your generator, performing a proper break-in period, regularly exercising the engine, using fuel stabilizers for long-term storage, and adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule are all essential practices to ensure your generator's reliability and longevity. By following these steps, you can be confident that your generator will be ready to provide backup power wherever you require it. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.